In this video, I cleaned 3 small granite markers for Missouri and Bill Orwick and their son, Neal. William Daly, or Bill Orwick, was born on April 13, 1882 in Jackson County, Missouri. He was the 8th of 10 children born to Isaac and Nancy Daly Orwick. When Bill was born, his father was 48 and his mother was 35. In Bill's first 10 years of life, his family went through a lot of loss. In 1886, Bill's older brother James passed away at the age of 17. 1 year later, in 1887, his older brother Ari passed away at the age of 7. 3 years later, in 1890, when Bill was 8, his mother Nancy passed away at the age of 44. 2 years later, in 1892, Bill's older sister Fanny passed away at the age of 21. She was the only one I was able to find what the cause of death was. A newspaper article said, Fanny was at a friend's house when she started bleeding profusely from her mouth, and 10 minutes later, she was dead. The article said she died from a hemorrhage of the lungs. Fanny passed away in New Mexico, which gave me a hint she may have had tuberculosis. There was no medicine to treat TB at the time, so patients were sent to live in non-humid, sunny places. The hope was the fresh air and sun would dry their lungs out. 1 month after his sister passed away, Bill's father Isaac remarried to Roseanne Feeback. I don't believe they had any children together. On the 1900 census, 18-year-old Bill had moved out of his family home. He was living in Greene County, Missouri. He was a boarder with the Thayer family, and he was working on their farm. Missouri Belle Hall was born on February 11, 1888 in Ozark County, Missouri. She was the third of 7 children born to Christopher and Eliza Forrester Hall. When Missouri was born, her father was 39 and her mother was 34. Missouri spent her whole childhood in Ozark County on her family's farm. In 1900, Missouri's younger sister Alice passed away at the age of only 5 months. Missouri would later name her daughter after her sister Alice. In 1910, Missouri was 22, single, and still living with her parents on their farm. The next year, on February 18, 1911, 23-year-old Missouri married 28-year-old Bill Orwick. Missouri and Bill stayed in Ozark County, starting their own farm and raising their family. They would have 5 children together, 2 boys and 3 girls: Neal, Evelyn, Robert, Alice, and Madge. Missouri would have her children from the age of 23 to the age of 33. Their first son, Neal, was born and passed away on September 10, 1911. I noticed their son Neal was born only 6 months after their marriage, so Missouri was already pregnant when they married, or Neal was born early. I found Neal's death certificate, and it confirmed he was born early. It stated Neal passed away from being born prematurely in about the 6th month of pregnancy. He was unnamed on the death certificate. Missouri and Bill buried Neal in Eaton Cemetery in Ozark County, Missouri. Neal was the only child the couple would lose. The rest lived into adulthood. I only found a few articles about Missouri and Bill while they lived here. A lot of them were just about them visiting relatives or friends. Bill passed away in 1923 at the age of 41. A family member typed on his page the family story was that he died while plowing a field. They didn't go into more details on what had caused it. Bill was buried in Eaton Cemetery next to Neal. Bill and Missouri were married for 12 years when he passed away, and they had 4 small children still at home. 10 years after Bill passed away, I found Missouri on the 1930 census. She was living with her second husband, Curtis Mayfield, and her children. She was 42 at the time, and Curtis was 36. The census worker did make an error and wrote that Missouri's children were Curtis's grandchildren instead of stepchildren. I don't believe Missouri and Curtis had any kids together. I then found Missouri again 20 years later in 1950. She was 62, stated she was divorced, and she was living in Ozark County with her son Robert and his family. Missouri passed away on March 28, 1963, at the age of 75. She passed away in a hospital in Greene County. She died due to terminal pneumonitis and generalized arteriosclerosis with cerebral thrombosis. This means Missouri had inflammation in her lungs from some kind of irritant, and her arteries had hardened, causing a blood clot to form in her brain. Missouri was buried with Neal and Bill in Eaton Cemetery. When I went to update their photos on Find a Grave, I found out that several years ago, I was the one who had taken and uploaded Missouri and Bill's stone photos to fulfill a photo request. I had no memory of doing this, but there it was. I updated their photos to my cleaned ones. Neal had a memorial page made for him, but there was no photo of his stone, so I added one. My family tree showed that Missouri is my 8th cousin 3 times removed, and Bill is my 8th cousin 4 times removed. Thank you for watching. Rest in peace, Missouri, Bill, and Neal.